Log4j lets developers log data in their applications, like user input and software statuses. In each episode, I'll take you through the concepts you'll need, and then I'll set you a challenge using your new skills. And authentication is required, so I'll enter Ramsley's password. And then it will install Visual Studio Code automatically for us. How mysterious. Or we could go, guitar. Or, I mean, it's not that great for a keyboard. Drum time. So that's now running. Yeah, I just made a slight mistake when I typed in the command. Yeah, I made a mistake, sorry. So we are now ready. So the output of running this command, if we go back to our VMware, it says listening on 0.0.0.0. 1 in 25 Windows Steam users are running Windows 7 as of March 2022. Support for Windows 7 ended on the 14th of January 2020. That's 2.5 years ago. And this leaves these users open to attacks, as security updates are no longer provided.